Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, right now we will look at cross section which is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, this is still area. Oh, sorry, this is still under area. Okay, the topic of area. Okay, let the function fy and gy be continuous for every y in the interval c to d, and suppose fy is greater than or equal to gy. Okay, hence to find the area A that bounded by the curves of x equal to fy, x equal to gy, y equal to c, and y equal to d is this. Okay, that means A is equal to integrate from c to d. Okay, c to d, cy with respect to y, which means here is fy minus gy with respect to x. So the function here should be x right minus x left. As you can see, this one is written as x. So that's the previous video. It is written as y top minus y bottom, right? So this one is x right minus x left because the functions need to be written with x as the subject. Okay, let us see this figure. So that means we want to find this area. Okay, we apply right minus left because as you can see, for the area that is bounded from at the right, it is covered by the same function. Okay, and for the left side, this one is also bounded by the same function. We didn't do from top to bottom because, okay, let's see here. If we take the top minus bottom, that means top would be the straight line here, and then the bottom should be this straight line here. But how do we get the value for this one? Value of x. It's possible, right? Or if is it still possible, we need to find not once, but maybe more than two. It should be the area will be bound. We need to find more than one area to conclude this whole area. That's why for this type of figure, we apply the from x right minus x left. Okay, which means the cross section here is parallel to the y axis. Okay, the cross section. Okay, so right now let's look at the example. This one. For example, we need to find the total area that is bounded by the curve x equal to 8 minus y squared. Okay, this is the curve x equal to 8 minus y squared, and the line here y equal to x minus 2. Okay, if you want to do top minus bottom, you need to find it 2 times. That means A1 and A2. This is A1 and this is A2. Probably not twice, but 3 area. Okay, the first one will be this top minus this bottom, and then next this top minus this bottom. The next one will be this top minus this bottom. So it will be redundant. Okay, since it is redundant to the top minus bottom, that's why what we do here is to integrate the function right minus left. Why right minus left? Because the bigger number should be on the right, the smaller one should be on the left. So bigger value minus the lower value. Okay, so right now the function on the right is the curve. That means we know that our fy is equal to 8 minus y squared, and gy here is equal to, okay, gy is equal to, we have y equal to x minus 2. Remember what I've said earlier, the function here should be written in terms of x, with x as the subject. Sorry, not in terms of x, in terms of y with x as the subject. So here we have x equal to y plus 2. Okay, so gy is equal to y plus 2 here. Therefore, we need to integrate area. So we need to know the lower limit and upper limit. This will be the lower limit, okay, y1, and this is the lower limit, y2. Okay, so how to find it? We use intersection points. Okay, equal both functions, and you will find the intersection points which are -3 and 2. So we integrate from -3 to 2. Because we want to integrate with respect to y, remember the value here should also represent the values of y. Okay, and the function here should be in terms of y. So fy minus dy, 8 minus y squared minus y plus 2. Remember to write this in bracket, compulsory. Okay, so next, simplifying the above equation, it will be 6 minus y squared minus y. Integrate these functions. Okay, you have 6y minus 1 over 3 y cubed minus 1 over 2y squared. Okay, next, substitute the value of the upper boundary minus the substitution of the value of the lower boundary value. Okay, therefore, we have here, it is 125 over 6 or 20.8333 unit squared. Okay, remember, if you want to write the answer in decimal places, it should be written at least in 3 decimal places. Okay, the next one will be this question. You want to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, which means this also we need to do right minus left. If you want to do top minus bottom, you need to find it twice. This should be your A1, this should be your A2, because the top for this area is this line and the bottom is this line. And the top for this area is the curve and the bottom is this line. Okay? As you can see, we need to find the area twice to have the total area for this region. Okay? That's why we try to opt for another option, which is right minus left instead of top minus bottom. Okay, here as you can see, the function on the right is y equal to 1 over 2x, and the function for the left one would be this, actually y-axis. Okay, y-axis, which is x equal to 0. Okay, why it is x equal to 0? This is the line. Let's say if I ask you to draw the line x equal to 0, where would it be? Here. The line of y-axis. Okay, that's why y-axis is equal to x equal to 0. Okay, we don't have to find the intersection points because we have here 1 and 4. That means the lower limit for the region bounded is 1 and the upper limit is 4. That's why we just calculate A is equal to integrate from 1 to 4. Remember, integrate with respect to y. The value here should be in terms of y. Okay. Right minus left, that means 1 over 2y minus 0. Why 1 minus 2y? We have the function here, y equal to 1 over 2x. That means, as I mentioned earlier, you need to rewrite this function with x as the subject. So x is equal to 1 over 2y. The function here should also be in terms of y because we want to integrate in terms of y. Okay, with respect to y. So the functions here should be in terms of y. Okay, and then here it will be 1 over 2y minus 0, which is 1 over 2y. Integrate 1 over 2y is 1 over 2 ln y. Okay, from 1 to 4. Substitute the value of 4 minus the substitution of y equal to 1. And hence we have this area. Okay, that's it for this example, for this topic. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.